Okay, let's continue our practice problem number 4 now. A welder earns 120 pesos per hour. This week, he worked 42 regular hours and 4 hours of overtime on a regular holiday, which is 200% rate. Find his total pay. So we're given 100 pesos, 120 pesos per hour, and you have 42 regular hours, 4 overtime hours on a regular holiday at 200%. So you are required the total weekly pay. Regular pay is 120 pesos times 42, and that is 5,040. Holiday OT pay is 120 times 4 times 2 equal to 960. And therefore, the total pay is regular pay plus the holiday OT pay. Substitute the calculated data. The final answer is 6,000. Number 5. Maria works as a nurse earning 150 per hour. She worked 36 regular hours, 6 hours of overtime on regular days, which is 125% rate, and 4 hours on special holiday, 130% rate. Find her total pay. So we're given 150 pesos per hour, 36 regular hours, and 6 OT at 125%, 4 hours on a special holiday at 130%. Required the total weekly pay. So the regular pay is 150 times 36, and that is 5,400. Overtime pay, 125% is 125 times 6 times 1.25, and that is 1,125. Special holiday pay, 130%, that is 150 pesos times 4 times 1.30 is equal to 780. The total pay will be the regular pay plus OT pay plus special holiday pay. Substituting all the calculated data, the final answer is 7,305. Number 6. A security guard earns 75 pesos per hour. This week, he worked 48 hours, including 8 hours of overtime on rest days, which is 130%. Find his total pay. So we're given 75 pesos per hour, 48 hours total, including 8 over, overtime on rest days at 130%. So require the total weekly pay. So assume 40 regular hours plus 8 rest days OT. So the regular pay is 75 times 40, 3,000. Rest day OT pay is 130% ang rate. Then you have 75 times 8 times 1.30 equal to 780. And now the total pay is 3,000 plus 780 equal to 3,780. Number 7. An employee earns 110 pesos per hour. She worked 40 regular hours, 4 hours overtime on a regular day, 125% rate, and 2 hours overtime at night, 125% plus 10% night differential. Find her total weekly pay. So we're given 110 pesos per hour, 40 regular hours, 4 OT at 100%, 2 OT at night with 125% plus 10% night differential. Required the total weekly pay. So the regular pay is equal to 110 divided by 4, times 40, you have 4,400. The OT pay day is 125%. So you have 110 pesos times 4 times 1.25, 550 pesos. Night OT pay is 110 times 2 is times 125 plus 0.10 is equal to 110 times 2 times 1.35 equal to 297. And then sum up those total calculated data or values. The total pay now is equal to 5,247. Number 8, a construction worker earns 95 pesos per hour and work 40 regular hours, 6 overtime hours on a regular holiday, 200%, and 4 night differential hours, 10% rate. Calculate his total pay. So we're given 95 pesos per hour, 40 regular hours, 6 OT hours on a regular holiday at 200%, 4 night differential hours at 10%. So required the total weekly pay. So regular pay, 95 times 40, you have 3,800. Holiday OT time, 200%, 95 pesos times 6 times 2 is equal to 1,140. Night differential, you have 95 times 0.10 times 4 is equal to 38 pesos. And then total pay is the sum of all those calculated values. The final answer is 4,978 pesos. Number 9, a teacher earns 105 pesos per hour. She worked 30 regular hours and 6 overtime hours on a special holiday, 130%. She also has 500 pesos in hazard pay. Find her total pay for the week. So, given 105 pesos per hour, 30 regular hours, 6 OT times on a special holiday at 130%, and then hazard pay 500 pesos. Require the total weekly pay. So the regular pay is 105 pesos times 30. That's equivalent to 3,150. Special holiday OT time, that's 130%. That's 105 times 6 times 1.3. That's 819 pesos. And then the total pay will be the calculated regular pay and the special OT pay plus the hazard pay. The total pay for the week is 4,469 pesos. Number 10, a machine operator earns 120 pesos per hour. This week, he worked 40 regular hours, 4 overtime hours on a regular day, 125%, 4 overtime hours on a holiday, 200%, and 5 night differential hours, 10%. Calculate his total pay. Given 120 pesos per hour and for OT regular pay at 125%, for OT on holiday at 200%, 3 night differential hours at 10%, so required the total weekly pay. So, the regular pay is equal to 120 pesos times 40, that's equal to 4,000. OT pay is 120%, 125%, so that is 120 times 4 times 1.25, and that is 600 pesos. The holiday OT pay is 200%, so you have 120 pesos times 4 times 2, you have 960 60 pesos. The night differential is 120 pesos times 0.10 times 5, so you have 60. And then the total pay, adding all of those values, the total answer is, the final answer is 6,420 pesos. And for our MCQ Lesson 3, wages from an hourly rate, including situations involving overtime and other allowances. Number 1. Which of the following is the correct formula for calculating regular weekly wages? Letter A. Regular pay is equal to hourly rate times the number of regular hours worked. Letter B. Regular pay is equal to the hourly rate times the number of overtime hours worked. Letter C. Regular pay is equal to monthly wage divided by the number of hours worked. Letter D. Regular pay is equal to the daily wage to the number of days worked. Number 2. If the overtime rate is 125%, how do you calculate the overtime hourly rate? So, letter A, overtime rate is equal to the hourly rate times 1.0. Letter B, overtime rate is equal to hourly rate times 1.25. Letter C, overtime rate is equal to hourly rate divided by 1.25. Letter D, overtime rate is equal to hourly rate times 0.25. Number 3, a worker earns 100 pesos per hour and works 8 hours a day for 5 days. What is his total regular pay? Letter A, 3,800 pesos. Letter B, 4,000. Letter C, 4,200. Letter D, 5,000. Number 4. Which of the following correctly calculates total pay when overtime is involved? Letter A, total pay is equal to regular pay plus overtime pay. B, total pay is equal to overtime pay minus regular pay. Letter C, total pay is equal to regular pay times overtime hours. Letter D, total pay is equal to overtime hours times all real rate. Number 5, a call center agent earns 90 pesos per hour. She works 40 hours and 5 hours overtime at 125%. What is the formula to find her overtime pay? Letter A, overtime pay is equal to 90 times 5 times 1.25. Now, letter B, overtime pay is equal to 90 times 5 divided by 1.25. Overtime pay is equal to 90 pesos times 40 times 1.25. Letter D, overtime pay is equal to 90 times 1.25. Number 6. Night differential is usually computed as letter A. Night differential is equal to the hourly rate times the number of hours, night hours work. Letter B. Night differential is equal to hourly rate times 0.10 times the number of night hours work. Letter C. Night differential is equal to hourly rate times 1.25 times the number of night hours work. Letter D, night differential is equal to the hourly rate times 2 times the number of night hours work. Number 7, an employee earns 120 pesos per hour. He works 42 hours with 2 hours of overtime at 125%. What is the correct computation for his overtime pay? A, 120 times 2. Letter B, 120 times 2 times 1.25. Letter C, 120 times 32 times 1.25. Letter D, 120 pesos times 40. So we'll have the next next part of this lesson number 3.